Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cook with Surbhi. Today I am going to show you the recipe of whole wheat oats cookies. You can see how crunchy and healthy this cookie is. So I hope you will like my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Let's get started. For this we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, then 120 grams of whole wheat flour or गेहूं का आटा. You can replace it with all-purpose flour. Now 120 grams of rolled oats, 120 grams of this white choco chips, and 120 grams of powdered sugar. Then 150 grams of Amul butter. Friends, I have taken here salted butter. If you want, you can replace it with unsalted butter, because if you are using unsalted butter, you can add a pinch of salt. Then we are having 30 grams of brown sugar, and then this is the raisins. You can take any nuts like cranberries, blueberries, strawberries. So now let's get start the process. I have taken a bowl. Into this bowl I am going to add 150 grams of butter, wiping out all the butter from cup to the bowl using this silicone spatula. Into this I am going to add powdered sugar, now using an electric beater I will mix butter and sugar till the butter is fluffy and both the mixture get mixed properly. During this process you will notice the color of this mixture will change. It will come to pale yellow color and the butter will become very soft. So it will take approx 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes to beat this mixture using the electric beater. You can use hand beater also in this process, but it will take time. Okay, now see the color and texture of this mixture. It's very fluffy and pale yellow. Into this I have added brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Again I am mixing it. Now I have added here this whole wheat flour, then this oats, and now again I am mixing this mixture. Now into this I am adding 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and then I will mix it so that the baking powder get mixed very nicely over all the mixture. Once this is mixed, I am going to add white choco chips. Now I am having some raisins. I am going to cut these raisins into small pieces and mix it into that cookie mixture. Friends, if you don't want to use raisins, you can definitely use blueberries, cranberries, or dry strawberries, but please cut it into the pieces. So now here I am giving a very good mix to the choco chips and the raisins. Once this is done, I'm going to take a small portion and make small balls out of it. So with this measurement we have made approx 30 to 32 balls, approximately 20 grams each ball. See here. Now I am going to freeze these cookie balls for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's grease our cookie tray. So here I am having some butter and I am just greasing it. After 10 minutes, I am going to flatten these balls and keep it on the cookie tray. We must maintain some distance between the cookies. Otherwise, when it will be baked, all those cookies will overlap each other. And here I have also preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Once this is done, I am going to bake it at 150 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 minutes, my cookies are ready. So don't touch the cookies when it is very hot, because at that time it will be very soft. So let it cool down. And then we will move these cookies from cookie tray to our serving tray. As of now, the cookies are very soft and very hot. So now the cookies are cooled down and you can see the back portion is brown and the sides are also brown. It's hard enough. Once the sides are brown and the back side is brown, it means your cookies are done. Now I am going to place these cookies on my serving tray in this way. So friends, I hope you like my video. Please try this recipe and give me your feedback. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. So these are so healthy cookies, so crunchy that you will never say no to these cookies. Full of nutrients and full of goodness of home baking. Friends, see the color, the texture. This is very yummy. Thanks for watching this video.